I will lick her. I won't lick her. I promise I won't lick her.
Thrifty fashions, try-ons and vlogs. Poppy K thrifty fashion vlogs. Thrifty fashions, try-ons and vlogs. Poppy K, subscribe, like, comment and share.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a inspirational video, not from me, but from NikkiTerryStyle. Now, I will link the video that we are going to do below. She came up with a few recipes for fall ideas for outfits and things. So I wrote those down, some of them anyway, and she did them. She looked through Pinterest and things like that to get her creative juices flowing. She showed us things that she would wear in respect of that specific recipe. So I thought, I'm going to write some of these recipes down and see what I can do by shopping my closet and creating some of these outfits as well. You have a go-to, because it is just the best way to create outfits that you already have the ingredients for. So the first outfit, I have it all written down here in my trusty notebook. And the first one, the first recipe, is a turtleneck, a blazer, denim and loafers. So I have picked out this turtleneck, roll neck, polar neck, however you want to call it. It's got a nice shift of silver sparkle inside. So we've got this, and it's ribbed as well. So we've got that. For loafers, I'm going to add these loafers that I thrifted many moons ago. I love the fact that they've got this either giraffe print, Dalmatian print, I don't know, but they're a great vintage loafer. I picked these up. I remember these were £1, I think, and I have another pair as well that I've got, and I've just loved them so much. Jeans, I've got a pair of cropped wide leg jeans that I picked up from Sainsbury's. Yeah, don't tell anyone, it's the opposition to the place of where I work, but shh. And so I'm going to add these. Then I picked up a full suit in Wales for £8, and this is the blazer. This is the man's blazer. So I'm going to put this on and then come back and see how it all looks. Okay, so we have got the blazer, the jeans, the roll neck and the loafers. You can see the loafers just back there. I love these jeans because they're cropped. I might need to get some of those button things because they're slightly too big, but I love this. And the way that I've actually got my sleeves rolled up is this is just an old trick. It's nothing new. It's literally just a hairband, and I've just popped that on the top there and then just tucked up the sleeve, so then it gives it a bit of a ruched feeling. Now you can buy, it's like a elastic metal, I think they're like arm suspenders. You put them up for wearing on your shirt sleeves and things like that, so you can buy them. You can find them anywhere at any sort of vintage place. Put my necklace on that I thrifted last week, and that is recipe number 1. So recipe number 2 is a collared dress, vest and tall boots. Now I don't have a dress with a collar, but I could probably try and rectify that. So I'm going to have a look now. I think in here I have got the perfect dress. It is this dress. I picked this up at a car boot sale at the beginning of the year. This was £3, so I'm going to use this, and I actually have a collar that I can use for this, and the vest top. But first I've got to find them. So here's the dress. Love this dress. And then here is the collar that I'm going to pop on. actually. No, that was the wrong way around. So this is just one of those collars that were everywhere, but I haven't got a dress with a collar, so this is where we're at. Now for a tank top. And I know the one I'm going to use. I'm going to use this tank top. So there is my tank top with my dress. Now then, for shoes, she said to use tall boots. Now, I have got some tall boots, but for my style, I probably wouldn't wear those with this. I would probably go for something more along the lines of these. I picked these up from Depop last year, and I love them. There's my boots. My bag. For a bag, I think I'm going to go with this little leather. It's not yellow, this is black, Katie. This little leather satchel. Pop that underneath the collar, and that is my version of recipe number 2 with a collared dress, tank top, tall boots. So that's that one. So another one that I've gone for is the bold shacket black skirt combination, and what does she say? Boots. So black skirt is, I've got skirts in here. Now then, do I go for a pencil, leather or pleather, or I'm just trying to think what shacket I'm going to use. Right, I'm going to use this black skirt with, I've actually just recently started this up in one of my TikToks as well. It's got Marilyn's face, I upcycled it, so it's got Marilyn's face on it. So I think I'm going to start with this here. Probably put on that black roll neck that I had earlier. So we'll use this guy with that. Probably leave these boots on as well. If I was going to wear tights, I would probably wear a loafer or something like that. So let's just close this drawer and find a shacket. A colourful shacket. I'll find that and I'll come back to you. Right, so I have top on, I have skirt on. Colourful shacket is this Western number here. If you saw my bed at the minute, and if you saw me trying to get out these cowboy boots, you would have laughed. I'm going to go with my red hat, and I'm going to pop that like a jaunty angle. So this is where we are so far. I still haven't got boots on, but I'm going to put these red cowboy boots on that I picked up from eBay a long time ago. Oh yeah, love that, love that. So what bag would I use? Well, it has to be, doesn't it, I'm just getting it from here, the Little Dior saddle bag, and with that I've used a belt as the handle, just to give everything a little bit more interest. There we go. And that is my version of Nikki's recipe. I think it's recipe number 4. Yeah, I quite like this. I think the next Western weekend we go to, this outfit might be coming out. I quite like it. I have got a lack of colour hat up there that I need to make smaller because my head is like tiny. But yeah, loving that. Let's have a look and see what the next one is. So I'm going to do one more, and it is going to be, it would be number 7 I think, is the graphic tee, a maxi skirt and lug style boots. I've put boots / shoes, so let's hunt out all of that. Okay, so the t-shirt that I'm going to try to use is this one, and it is from Sweet Honeydew, and it is good old Ozzy Osbourne, and it's the one where he says that the meme where he says, "Someone's been in my room and taken my beers." So that's what we're going to do today.
Hi, darling.
Someone has been in my room and taken my beers away from my room.
I don't think so, darling. Who would do that?
Right, take this hat off, take this jacket off, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm actually going to keep the boots on that I'm wearing. I'm going to wear this maxi skirt, which is leopard print. Pop that on. Okay. Then I think I might go for a cardigan. Let's try that. Then I am going to change out the cowboy boots. I'll go with these again. Glasses on. I'll try this jacket. Yeah. It's a bit better. Yeah, I think the jacket is better. So that, what bag would I use? This bag. Yeah, I like that because it goes with all the. There we go, and there's your lug sole boots, maxi dress, maxi skirt and t-shirt. So that is just some of the things that I have kind of got together from the list of recipes that Nikki has done. If you want to go and see her channel, as I say, I will link it below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed doing it, and actually now I have a visual reference of different things I probably wouldn't have put together. So thank you so much for that. Nikki, I will see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye!